Use hair sticks to secure a French twist. Start by gathering your hair into a low ponytail. Then wrap your hair up and around 2 fingers. Use this loop of hair to twist and pull up the hair. You should feel your ends slowly incorporate into the twist. Depending on the length, you can either tuck the ends behind the twist or fold them upwards. Insert the end of the hair stick into the edge of the top loop. Flip, catching some of the scalp hair, and gently insert into the length of the twist. Repeat with another hair stick on the opposite side, ensuring to catch both the twisted and scalp hair. Creating an X shape with the hair sticks within the French twist to secure. An alternative formation is to insert the second hair stick adjacent to the first hair stick, creating a double slash shape with the hair sticks within the French twist. Find which shape creates the most secure style for you and your hair. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.